What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Instagram password even if you forgot it. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Are you in doubt that someone has your Instagram password and want to change it? Or you just forgot it and can't sign into your Instagram account? Don't worry, I will guide you on how to address this concern. To change your password, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, Account Center. From here, navigate to Password and Security to open your password settings. Next, select Change Password. You will need to enter your current and new password. If you're unable to remember your account password, select Forgot Password. You'll be prompted to verify your email inbox associated to your Instagram account, which will allow you to reset your account password. Navigate to your email inbox and proceed to create a new account password. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.